Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for June 23rd, going into the 24th. Let's start off the S&P 500 index. Okay, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We've rallied 4,130.25 into the bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. I'm not going to get into all these. And then we had a large pullback from the highs. We held a low at 63.53 and a quarter and bounced 1,279. A number of other calls in here. And then today we broke below this formation I talked about yesterday in the post-market synopsis. The trade below 75.3250 plus 62 per hour now warrants a pressure. And we came off down to 74.1525. Decent trade below 74.1396 minus 0.01 tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant a decent pressure and a possible run back down for 72.9225. Decent trade above 75.4458 plus 62 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warrant a decent strength, and I would lean against it as a long. A decent penetration in there overnight. It's going to be 39.75 up until tomorrow's open. Also on the day, we left a minor to medium bearish reversal above. The warrants of pressure for days, possibly weeks. If we leave a maintained gap higher tomorrow, that'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. That'll likely bring in strength to test the highs again. And in the gold, gapped open lower again today. We left a minor bearish reversal above 3 days ago. We've been in a lower time frame bearish move down. The gold, we've been bullish since August 16, 2018. From 1183, we've seen 4,443.1 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then we held exhaustion above at 56.2680 and rolled over 1,580. A number of other calls in here. More recently, we held exhaustion with a 44.0360 high and rolled over 295.4 before holding exhaustion here at 41.1190 with a 41.0820 low and rallying a bit. If we roll over and take that out, we're likely going to test the next lower at 40.7730 to 40.7440. And if that one holds, then we may see a minor bullish correction against this move down from here. I would also keep in mind on an overall basis that from the move from the highs up here down, we were likely in the last stretch of that move down, and the rally upward last week and it rolled back over could be a large pullback before running up again. We'll have to see. A maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below, which would be ideally situated to bring in that bullish correction. In Bitcoin, the break above 16,275 brought in 110,965 of strength. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then the trade below 124.228 warranted pressure. We saw 64,223 from there. A lot of other lower time frame calls in here. Then more recently, we had held exhaustion with an 83.215 high and rolled over down to 61.890 with additional levels to be bearish below at 65.833. and then the trade below 63,239. Decent trade back above this formation, which is going to come in at 62,903, minus 25 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That will warrant of decent strength again. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.